Come on. Come on, guys. You got it. 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 I know you can do it. I know this is one of those workouts where you're like, Sean, I'm dying. But guess what? You have to push. You have to go. Use your core. Use your lower abs. It's all about endurance. Don't stop here. If you push through now, you will have a much better feeling in your life. 4 seconds. Come on, guys. 3, 2, 1. Slap back jack. Come on. Keep thinking endurance. Keep thinking, how do I max out? Keep thinking max out cardio. Keep congratulating yourself for getting to month 2. This is not an easy feat. It's not an easy task. But once you do it, you will feel amazing. Come on, guys. Push through. 4 seconds. Come on. 3, 2. I want you to hold it down to test those legs. Come on. Endurance is also about balance. Are you ready? Everybody take your feet in the plie wide. We're doing 8 jabs, and then we're doing 2 diamond jumps. Quick diamonds, ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, arms, diamond, down. Plie feet out, go. 1, 3, 5, diamond, get low, go up. Chest stays high, jump, up, down, up, and again. Come on, 1, 3, 5, go. Feel it, work it, your endurance is tested. Punch, 8, 6, 4, go, up, down, keep pushing, go, up, hit, feet out, go down, up, I'm pressing on 10 so he can move, jump it up, come on, almost there, go, come on, keep pressing to, I'ma push it on as he jumps, come on, go, one more time, you can do it, jump 2 times, go up, down, grab water, amazing job, make it quick, come on.